Pupunta na to sa airport for today's video. Ito siya yung aking boses. So today is another day. Andito po tayo ngayon sa airport. Nag-check-in lang po kami ng aming baggage. It looks like my eyes looks so tired. What? Laban-laban lang. So dito na naman tayo sa Philippine Airlines. Nagpila po tayo for today. And then, maaga tayo, no? Yung time for today na is around mga 1. Yeah, it's 1 already. 1:06. So, dito tayo. Magpila muna kami ni Habi dito with my darling. Kasama ko yung aking darling. Hi, babe. Honey.
They told me here.
Yan. Ha? Huh? Yeah. Dito tayo ngayon. Ano nangyari sa aking camera? Uy, okay lang ba? Di ba medyo blurred? Yan, okay. Pila kami ngayon dito ngayon. Kasi sobrang ano na. Kailangan natin maaga kasi dami ng tao. A lot of people today. I can carry naman, Han. I'm allowed to carry. Ayan. Daming tao na. And we are so grateful and thankful kay Lord dahil may bus pa. Nakasakay pa kami ng bus. Tapos kanina kala namin din na kami makasakay ng bus kasi around, it's early in the morning. So, okay. Pupunta muna tayo ng CR dahil nga parang naihinig na ako. So, see ya! Check muna namin itong baggage namin, ha? No, no. Anami diri aron sa sulod. Na-check-in na pala yung aming baggage namin. Tapos si Habi, kumain lang siya ng lumpia na niluto namin kanina. So, ayan. Nagdala kami ng food. Akala namin hindi siya allowed yung food. Pero nagluto kami ng lumpia. Ayan, sarap ng lumpia. Nagdala tayo ng food. Kaysa naman bibili tayo ng food. Dami ko yung kaunan. Dami kayo yung kaunan. You eat good, ha? So, ayan. Nag-jacket lang ko, guys. Iwatay ko yung tarong. Dami na palang tao dito ngayon. Where's the water? Oh. Tapos dito sa airport, bumili kami ng water dahil hindi man kami nakabili nagdala ng water. Pero meron namang water dispenser dito sa harap namin. So, wow, sarap. I wanna try your lumpia. Sarap. Ikaw, bibili tayo dito ng food mahal. Nakatulog. Nagkakaitaon sa ng orasan. The time is 2:40 in the morning. Daming tao mga palangga doon. Boarding na me.
What's our seat number?
47C. Hello. What a wonderful day today.
47 what?
C.
C?
God is good all the time.
C and D? C and D, right?
Walang tulog kami po. Wala kaming tulog ngayon. Walang tulog po. Fight. Laban. Thank you, Jesus. Excited. I know you're sleeping, huh?
Yeah, I'm sleeping.
You're done.
Yeah.
Sa loob na yung plane. Ito na kami, mga palangga. Opo na po kami. 47. Dito na kami. Nakaupo na pala kami ganyan sa plane. Actually, supposed to be kanina po yung flight namin. But, siguro the plane is late. Wala tayong tulog. Kunti lang. A little bit. We napped a little bit. I gotta sleep all the time. All the time gotta sleep. All the time dahil nakalapag po tayo ng safe and sound. So, dito na kami sa Manila. Sakay lang kami ng bus for today. We're gonna get our luggage. Nakasakay nga pala kami ng bus. Thanks God for the safe flight. Dahil nakaabot tayo dito na safe and sound. So, everything is fine. Wala naman siya. No turbulence at all. There's no turbulence. So, sakit talaga yung chan ko. Mga palang yung chan ko pa sobra sakit. Punong-puno yung bus natin. Hello mga palangga. Nanata diri sa airport Manila. With my darling. Say hi.
Hello.
Meron diri yung mga palangga. So anyway, kukunin lang po namin yung baggage namin. So, time right now parang what time right now?
It is 8:45.
8:45 na. So as you can see,
it's gonna come out just right.
dito na tayo sa Manila Airport. And sumakay tayo ng bus kanina. Dahil kukunin natin dito sa Carousel 9. It's a Carousel 9. So as you can see, baggage claim 1 to 5 pero yung baggage claim is 9. Kukunin natin doon sa 9. Ayan, number 9. Dun. Garo nyo ba? So okay lang. Kukunin natin yung ano natin. Uy, excited too much. Pero punta tayo na CR mamaya. I can't wait to pee kasi. Merry Christmas everyone! Mag-spend po tayo ng Christmas dito.
Wait behind the yellow line.
So much thankful and blessed.
I don't see it.
Kunin natin yung mga baggage natin pag ano na. Kasi hindi pa dumarating yung ating baggage.
We got a band there.
Yung ating abang-abang po tayo
You know
dito. Yes. Ay, no. Hello mga palangga. Dito na tayo sa Manila. Nakasakay na tayo ng dito sa sasakyan. Nandito na kami sa loob ng sasakyan. So, as I can see. So, dito na tayo. Nakuha na pala namin yung aming baggage. Tapos kanina pa pala is, akala namin doon kami sa Carousel 9. Kasi sabi kanina doon sa crew, nung crew, na doon kami kukuha ng baggage sa Carousel 9. Pero, may lumapit na babae dun sa amin. Sabi niya sa amin, doon daw kami pupunta sa Carousel 7. So, punta na naman tayo doon. Pero, okay lang yan. Nag-aantay pa naman tayo ng ilang minutes. Pero anyway, nakuha na natin yung ating baggage. Safe naman. So, at saka, God is good. Dahil nakalapag tayo dito sa Manila ng safe and sound din na walang turbulence. So anyway, papunta na kami doon sa hotel. Mag-check and put kami. Pero I think we're gonna wait there for mamaya pa kasi yung check-in namin. So iwan na siguro namin tong luggage namin dahil kakain muna kami dahil wala pa kaming breakfast. So anyway, it's not really traffic today because the time right now is 9:35 AM in the morning. So wala tayong tulog. Super stress ng ating face for today's video, pero okay lang yan. So walang tulog, nag-idlip konti-konti lang. Pero as you can see in my face, super sleepy. Nakatulog naman tayo konti doon sa aeroplano, pero nga sabi ko sa inyo, kailangan pa rin natin mag-rest dahil ilang araw din tayo walang tulog, no? So ayan na si Holly. Are you happy that we ride today? You happy that we ride today? No? What can you say? We just booked the ride. We just booked the Grab. Tapos nasa harap na pala namin. So anyway, ayan. So maganda doon. Tatawagan ko sila mamaya dahil ipapalo-upload natin kung kumusta yung mga haso natin. Hopefully that they're not crying, no? So anyway, si Sushi nga pala, pag alis namin, nakatingin siya sa amin, parang gusto niyang umiyak yung aso natin. Magkawawa naman yung aso natin o iniwan natin, no? Pero sige lang, babalik naman tayo. Pero anyway, we're gonna spend Christmas here in Manila. And then, kung pwede lang talaga madala yung aso natin, no? Dinala ko na talaga. Pero hindi kasi pwede. Kailangan kasi ng mga documents, mga paperworks, anything na dapat i-travel yung dog. Yeah, si Mambors kasi hindi siya pwedeng dalhin dahil nga I think they're not allowed dog anymore. Iniwan ko lang siya kina mama. So sina mama yung nagbantay doon sa bahay. So what a wonderful today. It's not raining here in Manila. Sobrang ganda ng panahon dito. Hindi siya mainit. Hindi siya masyadong mainit kasi it's like a partly cloudy lang siya. Humid.
Give it time. I'm sure it'll rain before the day.
Aeroplano doon. Sana makita ninyo. Sana hindi naman uulan dito. God has given us a good weather today. Alam niyo, God is really good kasi we travel without turbulence and there's a lot pa naman of typhoon, but God is so good. Ayan, nagaan tayo dito. Philippine Airlines, kita-kita ang nila office to the building. Andito tayo sa Skyway ngayon. Skyway ba to? Tama ba ako? Terminal 3. Kung doon dadaan yung mga papunta doon sa airport. Ayan na, Terminal 3. Tapos doon pupunta yung BGC. Yan. Kung dadaan tayo doon, pag pupunta tayo sa BGC, Makati, doon tayo dadaan. So yung mga ano ba, diet tayo ngayon. So yung ano natin, yung breakfast tsaka lunch natin isa na. So diet. So sobrang diet natin na yun, no? Diet muna tayo paminsan-minsan. Pag naka-check-in na kami, kakain tayo ng gulay. We have to eat healthy food. Mag-healthy muna tayo ngayon, mga palangga. Naka-jacket tayo kasi I'm not feeling well earlier. Sabi ko sa inyo, para akong nasusuka ba. So, siguro kanina sa pag-landing or in the middle of nasa taas kami, I'm not really feeling well better today. Parang nawala naman, pero kailangan pa rin natin uminom ng init na tubig para mawala itong aking pagsusuka, no? Makahangin lang ito. In short, kabuhi ko ba, mga palanggang ikabuhi ko. Kanina sakit ng aking ulo pero nawala naman, thanks God. So see ya there, mga palangga. Dito na tayo, mga palangga, sa hotel. So anyway, bibigyan tayo nila ng welcome chocolate na HG Rewards. Since platinum po tayo. So, ito tayo. Ito natin sa loob. So, hello mga palangga. Papunta na tayo dito sa ating room, no? So, dito na po yung aming room. Papasok na po tayo. Tara, let's go! Ganda dito, ah.
Wow.
We have refrigerator,
Lots of
coffee,
I need coffee.
and all the, here, our luggage. So, dito na yung luggage
Look, you
namin.
got a little living room right here.
Yeah. So, dito na tayo. Papakita yung room namin. Woo! I can sit down here. Anyway, ito, ipapakita ko yung room natin, no? So, pagpasok mo dito sa door na to, meron kang makikitang salamin. Tapos dito is my sofa. Tapos table. Then doon naman po is yung coffee. With all the glasses. You want to drink some coffee. And here. You want something? Yung mga drinks. Ayan. Okay. So here. Dito, pagpasok mo dito sa loob. So much, ano. Yan. Dito na lang. So, here, we have our cabinet. Pwede tayo mag-plancha dito. Yan. So, pwede tayo mamalansya. So, i-on natin yung lights natin. Okay na ba to? Yes.
I remember this very well.
Yeah. So, dito naman, yan, salamin. Mahiwagang salamin. Ayan, dito tayo. Super ganda natin for today. Ito naman yung CR. Yan, yung CR natin with all the salamin. Na naman, ayan. Yan, tapos sink with two glasses. Shampoo. And of course, they have yung face towel, bathtub, and towel, itong toilet. With also telephone and toilet paper. So, dito naman, dito sa kabila, pwede natin ilagay dito yung ating gamit. Pwede tayo dito. Yan. Sana klaro ninyo. At dito naman na part is yung TV. Meron tayong TV. And of course, yung bed natin. And if you want to call for services, you can call and dial. Meron tayong telephone. And then, meron also tayong clock. Para di tayo malate. So, yan. Here is our chair. You want something to sit down and everything. Ayan. Tagad yung husband. Feel na feel talaga yung moment, ah. So, this room, Yeah. Malaki yung room natin for today, mga palangga. Dahil nga ay nakapag-upgrade po tayo. So, since yung card namin is premium, is it right? Premium? Yeah, nakapag-early check-in po tayo today dahil may available na room. So,
what's it called?
platinum.
More than platinum.
Elite?
Platinum Elite.
Yeah, platinum elite. And then I can lay here if I want and watching some TV. So today mga palangga ay na-tour ko na kayo dito sa room namin. Ayan si Habi. What can you say? Parang feel na yung moment mo dyan, Han. You feel the moment there in the bed,
Oh, this
So
is
anyway,
nice bed.
really? Anyway, kakain po tayo for today's video dahil nagugutom na kami. So, mag-prepare lang po ako. And then, so, let's go to the mall! See ya, mga palangga! Dito kami ngayon. Sa 4th floor ngayon, mga palangga. Dahil nga, pupunta kami doon sa mall. Wow! So, shortcut. Shortcut lang doon papuntang mall. Yan.
You gotta remember how to get back here.
Yes. So at least dito sa hotel na pinag-check-in namin is malapit lang yung mall. So hindi na tayo ma'am. Good morning. Good morning. There's a glass of beer. So hindi na tayo magsakay ng kanang antog ito na taxi version dahil malapit lang man yung natin pinag-check-in.
Kenny Rogers.
Oh, our Kenny Rogers, our favorite.
We got Thai food.
Uy.
That's good for me.
Yeah. So, tara. Tatawag dito ngayon sa ano.
Okay, we gotta remember where we are so
Yes.
we can get back to that door.
Oh, wow. Kaya mo yan.
We gotta remember how to get here. Look.
So, kakain muna kami ni Happy. Maglakad-lakad kami. Maglakad-lakad kami ni Happy. So,
Do you remember where we are now?
yes, I remember.
Okay.
We are Diamond Line.
Okay.
And then, tara. So, tara na. We just walk around. I wanna walk around. Yeah, nakatulog na si Happy ng kaunti lang. Hindi ako natulog dahil ayaw kong na ma-miss namin yung day namin dito. So, tara. So, tara. Punta tayo dito sa ano. Lakad-lakad kami ni Happy. Dito sa, ano ta? Robinson Mall?
Yeah,
Robinson Mall.
No, this is
Ay,
Galleria.
sorry. Robinson
Burger
Galleria.
See, I bet they have a Wendy's.
Yeah. Here they have Burger King. So, kakain tayo.
There's a Wendy's. It's on the other
Yes.
side.
Naghanap kami ng Wendy's kasi gusto ni Habi na
We got a
kakain.
Toys R Us. Oh my God.
Naghanap si Habi. Naghanap kami ng pagkain like Wendy's dahil gusto ni Habi na kakain ng gulay. Kasi usually yung food sa Wendy's, what's the food in Wendy's? They have also vegetables,
No,
salad.
they have salads, not vegetables.
I mean, they have salad, they have burgers,
Toys R
Oh.
Us. Look at that.
Starbucks,
Yeah.
SNR.
Oh, wow.
Wow! Doon sa SNR. Toys for Us. Tapos KFC, han. Tapos meron KFC. Wala na. We're gonna turn around.
Go downstairs.
Yeah.
The Burger King. I don't really want Burger King. It's not good.
We're here for Wendy's, not for Burger King. No.
That's a good looking pizza.
Yeah. What's the menu of their in Subway?
I'm gonna get a sub.
Oh.
If that's a real Subway, I can't
Yeah?
believe it. Oh no way!
Dito kami sa Subway ngayon.
Oh hell yeah!
My husband really loved this one so bad. Look at it. Ooh. Kasi yung Subway kasi is nag-ano si Habi ng dito, nakakain siya doon pa sa US. So ngayon nandito kami, sobrang bango ng mga pagkain nila ba. Ooh.
What kind of bread do you have? Huh? You got wheat? Oh, no.
We have mga wraps.
Okay. What's this?
Roasted chicken.
That's chicken too?
Yes. Is that chicken or roasted chicken?
Huh?
Is that chicken?
And what's this?
Roasted chicken.
What kind?
Breast.
I'll have the breast, please.
Mm.
You want extra cheese?
Yeah, cheese.
Extra cheese you want?
Cheese. Do you have jalapeno?
Yes. You
Oh.
want the toast?
Really?
You want the toast? No?
No, I don't think so.
What veggies?
Yeah, lettuce, green peppers.
And olives. What olives?
Jalapeno, lots of jalapeno, please.
What dressing, sir?
You got the sweet onion?
Here.
From home.
You're home.
I feel like I'm in the United States. I didn't know they had a Subway in this country. Yeah,
Yeah.
let me get the sweet onion.
Then eat all that one.
Yeah.
Sweet onion, sir?
Huh?
Only sweet onion?
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, that's it.
Right.
No, very little. Okay, that's it.
Wow. Let me.
No, I think we'll take it to the room.
No,
Take
no.
it to the room.
We have to look
You
more
gotta get a
food.
sandwich, right?
I don't know. I just wanna taste that one. Let me taste it. Oh, I just wanna go there. We have to find another food. Salad, ano?
A what?
No, that's all chicken. So.
No, I don't want. Oh, you got salad. Yeah, they make their salads.
Quesadilla. Pork pandak quesadilla, ultimate cheesy. Classic beef cheese. Oh, what should I would like to try their beef quesadillahan.
Oh, they got quesadilla?
Yes, here. Meron silang classic beef and cheese quesadilla. So we will try this one to eat. So bibili po tayo, just 115 only. Look at that!
Potatoes, sir. How about drinks and cookies?
Huh?
Drinks and cookies.
No, thank you.
Ah, just a beef
I love
quesadilla.
the white chocolate macadamia. You got white chocolate macadamia in there? No?
Look at yung cookies nila mga kulong. Kulong.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Double chocolate chip. Ay.
Man, that's cheap.
Sarap, 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 sarap. Hi, mga unta. Mga unta. Oh, in-order po namin. Meron kaming
What's that?
kamote.
Mm.
Kamote. Na-try natin to.
Good?
Let me try yours.
Mm.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Very healthy.
We get double meat.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
It's
It's
so
the
good.
first real sandwich I've had since I've been
Lami.
in
Very lami, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Very healthy. Everything's healthy because we went to Subway. We bought some bread with
Okay.
whole wheat bread, and then bought a lot of toppings and everything, and it's really good. It's not processed, but it's good, huh? Very healthy. Paano ko ba ito i-open eh?
I like the ones in my country. You get spinach. They have all kinds of stuff to put on there. That's water.
Is this the one?
Very good water.
Wait. Stay hydrated. Oh, purified water. Meron pala. You can drink this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right there?
Well, that's for you.
Akala ko ba wine? Ano man pala ito water na purified kasi sobrang very classy. Naka-bottle talaga siya ba? Very hot. Mainit. We have to be careful because it's so hot. I wanna try there. Okay.
You know what?
Their beef.
Oh, yeah.
Beef
Quesadilla.
quesadilla. Meron po silang beef quesadilla. And I wanna try this one because I used to eat beef quesadilla in other places or other stores. So I like it. Right? Let me taste this. Not spicy. Sweet.
Sweet?
Because of the cheese. Lami. Lami, oh.
I'm having a problem opening this.
Everything we eat now is healthy.
Except my boy.
Take me home, falling. Love me long, brawling, losing control, body and soul. Mind you for sure, I'm already yours. Walk you down, I'm all in. Hold you tight, you're calling. I'll take control, your body and soul. Mind you for sure, I'm already yours. Would that be alright?